Independence Day of the Republic of Belarus, also known as Republic Day or Liberation Day, is a public holiday. The Independence Day of Belarus and is celebrated each year on the 3rd of July. Independence Day is a non-working day. The 3rd of July 1944 was the day of Soviet liberation of Minsk from the Wehrmacht during the Minsk Offensive. The decision to celebrate Independence Day on the 3rd of July, the day of the liberation of Belarus from the Nazis, from the 27th of July, the day of the declaration of sovereignty of Belarus in breaking away from the Soviet Union, was made during a controversial national referendum held in 1996 proposed by President Alexander Lukashenko. Prior to the 1996 change, July 3rd was celebrated locally in Minsk as simply Minsk Day, since waves of unrest began in Central and Eastern Europe in 1989. Particularly in Poland, the countries in those regions sought independence from the Soviet Union. In Belarus, from 1991 to 1995, Independence Day was celebrated on the 27th of July, the day of the declaration of sovereignty of Belarus. This event was Belarus' declaration of independence from the Soviet Union. On the 25th of August 1991, after the August events in Moscow, the Belarusian SSR gave the declaration of sovereignty of the republic constitutional status. On the 19th of September 1991, the permanent representative of the Belarusian SSR Haiinadze Buraukin informed the office of the Secretary-General of the United Nations that the country would officially henceforth be known simply as Belarus. On the 10th of December 1991, the Supreme Soviet of Belarus ratified the Belarusian Accords, which formally declared the dissolution of the Soviet Union. Independence was formally received the 26th of December 1991 in connection with the collapse of the Soviet Union. Belarus is currently one of two post-Soviet countries to not associate its Independence Day with the collapse of the USSR. There is a public debate in Belarus regarding the appropriate date to be considered Independence Day. Since the early 1920s, various Belarusian political movements and the Belarusian diaspora have been celebrating Independence Day on the 25th of March as the anniversary of the 1918 Declaration of Independence by the Belarusian Democratic Republic. The date is still widely celebrated by members of the democratic opposition in Belarus and by the Belarusian diaspora as Freedom Day. The main event of Independence Day is a solemn military parade of the Belarusian Armed Forces as Minsk Garrison. Parades are also held in Borisov, Gomel, Brest, Zyazhinsk, Haradok, Vitebsk and Mogilev. After the official part, the holiday social events start. A solemn ceremony headed by the President of Belarus is held in the Independence Palace the preceding day. Throughout the country, celebrations and festivities are held. In the evening in Minsk, fireworks are arranged. A series of concerts and events are held in Gomel, with a special emphasis on the Belarusian identity. Recently, in 2014 and 2019, the holiday has been celebrated with even more importance due to it celebrating the 70th and 75th anniversary of the liberation of Belarus respectively. In both instances, the annual parade took place at 9 o'clock in the evening and included cadets from the military academy dressed up as Soviet-era Belarusian partisans. In the latter celebration, the Russian Defense Ministry conducted a fireworks display in Moscow in honor of the anniversary. A national campaign called Let's Sing the Anthem Together for everyone capable to sing the national anthem at a certain time has occurred annually in recent years. In 1974, President Richard Nixon of the United States arrived in Minsk during a state visit to the Belarusian SSR to attend celebrations in honor of the 30th anniversary of the liberation of Belarus. Attending the 2013 parade were the presidents of Venezuela and Laos, Nicolas Maduro and Chumali Sayazon, respectively. In 2014, Russian President Vladimir Putin visited Belarus on the eve of Independence Day, attending the inauguration of the Belarusian Great Patriotic War Museum. During the 2019 celebrations, Azerbaijani Defense Minister Zakir Hasanov, Commander Russian Western Military District Viktor Astapov, and Uzbek Army Chief Pavel Irgashev were in attendance.